Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will teach you about the base name command in Linux or Unix based system. So the short phrase of base command says strip directory and suffix file from file name or parse path name and components. So the base name command, the base name is used to display the exact base name of the parameter that is passed to this. So let's see if I have some directories here. So I have some directory. Let's see what's inside. Greetings, and it is empty, so let's see the hi, it is also empty. So let's create a directory, or let's go one step back, and let's say if I type let's go back to the home directory, and if I'm in the home directory, so if I use base name and point to that directory which is inside home slash Tauseed Zaman slash desktop slash test slash yt, and here I have that files and directories. So let's say hi there again dot loh. So hi there again dot loh. Now if I hit enter, as you can see, it returns the base name of that file. So what it does is it actually returns the last directory name or file name from the parameter that is passed. So now if I just pass the yt, which is directory, so if I hit enter, as you can see, it returns that. Now if I just pass the tests, it is going to return that. Now if I pass the desktop, it is going to return that. So the base name is used to return the exact last parameter directory of the given command. So that is base name command. And to explore more about this, check out the main page of base command. Just type main and then base name. It will show you the main page. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.